As Mimiya girl ka?
Mm-mm.
Ay, wow. As Mimiya girl. Ay, si Mimiya! We're talking about you and you're here. Oh my God.
Good morning, guys.
Ay, may face dapat.
Lipat pa sa'yo.
Shit, ayun na naman kayo, be. Totoo ba?
Yan. Hi guys. So definitely, magtitimpla tayo ng ating paboritong iced coffee. And this is how I make my iced coffee. So, I'm using the Nescafe Gold na Intense Dark Roast. This is really nice. I love it kasi this really gonna help you to save money. So, may disposable lang ako na na pwede kong dalhin kahit saan. Then So, I'm the counterpart of tomboy na naghahalo. So, yun guys. I'm shaking up this morning. You have to make halo-halo of your coffee. So, this is like a very matipid na coffee kasi nga, it's just like a homemade iced coffee. Coffee shop. 50 to 60% yung markup nila, guys. I know, business is business, but, you know, ang mahal na ng gasolina. Magmamahal na naman ang mga lahat ng bagay-bagay. Kaya dapat makahanap tayo ng ways para makapagtipid. Kasi, ewan ko ba sa Pilipinas, diba? Hindi ko din alam ba't ang mahal-mahal sa atin. Kaya iyan, we have to make our way na nakakatikim pa rin tayo ng iced coffee nang hindi nabubutas yung bulsa natin. So, this is how my iced coffee. This is my oat latte. Definitely, di na ako naglalagay ng sugar or anything. Because, wala, I just wanted to have na yung medyo may pagkamapait pa din. So, guys, I'm ready. Pero sila hindi pa ready yung mga kasama ko. Guys, so, we're currently leaving the condo. We're just gonna get the car. And yeah, so for today we're gonna go to Salcedo Weekend Market. Hope we can see Miss Cherry there. Miss Cherry Cough Blue Thumb. And let's buy Yosin muna. And also we're gonna go to look for some thrift shop. Tama ba? Then head back here to BGC. So that's our itinerary. That's the itinerary for today. And I'm with Gian. And Mom is still fixing her things. But sasama din siya. So may kasama pa kami isa. And yeah, we're just walking here in BGC. 11. So guys, we're here at Uptown and here's my fit. Since we're gonna go to Salcedo Market, Weekend Market. So, guys, that's my fit. So, very simple. But still very me. Joke. But actually, that's just my outfit. Very simple. And we're here. I'm gonna show you to my favorite store. I hope they're not on a break. I think they're open. It's here. My favorite store. Ate, you know what's mine?
Himalaya?
Yes, correct. Can you say hi to my vlog?
Hi.
Yay!
Yes.
Dalawa
Welcome,
na. And QR code. Hi vlog! So, currently nandito tayo sa Uptown Mall. In front of the Uptown Mall. And inaantay natin yung ating kasama. And wala tayong magawa. Of course, kakausapin ko lang kayo. And ayun nga, I was thinking of ano ba yung maganda natin pang opening. Na very, very ownable, na very, very iconic, na very, very me. So, yeah. What's up, fabulous bitch? Parang ganun yung gusto ko talaga eh. Kasi para yung mga nagwa-watch sa akin, mga fabulous bitch. Walang basic bitch na magwa-watch sa akin. Parang, you will not be on my YouTube channel if you are a basic bitch. So, I really wanted na fabulous bitch. Pero of course, may ano pa naman tayo. May mga options pa naman siguro tayo along the way as we are in the trial stage ng ating vlog. Okay? Ang tagal! Yan na, yung sasakyan natin. Yan, and ayain ko siyang mag-smoke. Yan guys, yan ang ating service. Yan na siya. And ang pogi din ang magsusundo sa akin. Kasi ito yung poging driver na susundo sa atin. Ay, inisnab niya ako guys.
Turn left onto LP Laviste Street, then turn right onto Velasquez.
Okay guys, we just arrived here in Makati and we're currently here, I think at Suliman. We are in the Salcedo. Alright, so I'm with Gian. G, can you say hi to my vlog? And would you like to show your outfit? That's his outfit. Okay? So, together with us is... Wow, oh. Shit. Baba boom. Where's the ano? There's so many cute dogs here, guys. I'm gonna show you. Oh. It's cute. Yeah, there's so many cute dogs here. Oh, doggy. I miss my dog, guys. I miss Lucho and Chanel, but look at the dogs. It's all big. Oh, playing around, dogs.
Saturday only 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tulog ka ulit.
Ay, shit.
Tulog ulit. Tara, good night.
Mali tayo. The pantry. You want we can...
Eggplant omelette.
Oh, eggplant omelette.
Ito, nakapili ka dito, babe.
Ano
Ano ba? Totoo ba? Okay, go. Ano ba yan, babe? There's hepatite pa more. Shit, kakaturo ko sa 9K me. Grabe. Ay,
Akin na yung bag mo, ma'am.
nasasay. Ano mo gagawin mo, Mi?
Dito, Mi. Lalagay ko dito. I-interviewin kita, Mi. Ano ipagpapatawad sa'yo, Mi? Sabi ng kanta.
Kumain ako agad.
Kumain ka agad. Sayang ba yung tersapatide, Ma?
Ayaw niyo. Kung sino man nag-aagawa mo.
Bakit ganun hindi nasasuppress yung appetite mo?
Parang na-scam ako. Na naman.
Mamulang talab.
Ilang ko?
Ang talabo. Uy, ano ba yan? Hindi ko kumapa yan. Video ka na ng video.
Ma'am, dapat sa bago makita yung pag-transition ng pagkapayat mo. Pakita natin yung before and after.
Parang wala nangyayari, B.
Kanino mo ba binili yung supply ng gamot mo, ma'am?
Ano ba yan? Bingkay. Sisimula na naman ng away. Diyos ko.
So, our brunch is served. So, I'm having lumpiang sariwa and my iced coffee. So, yan, guys. Sitting here. With the AI song, featuring AI song. Guys, we're done eating. As you can see, ako medyo, hindi ko gano'ng naubos, but I'm full already. Pero si Mami, Dahil nagmumunjaro siya, hindi siya gano'n nakakain. And we're gonna go to thrift shop, right? So dapat we have to search na where we're gonna go. Perhaps, parang madaming trip sa Makati sa... Ano yun yung lumang building? What do you call that?
Makati Square.
Makati Square. Can we check? And I love the song here. I will recommend to eat here if you are in Salcedo and if you're craving for Filipino food. Kasi may mga lutong ulam sila. So I think we just have to show you after I make kain. Let's try to... Good food, good mood. So, nakaka-good mood naman yung pagkain nila. And they also have like mga pulot, mga ganyan. This is the pulot. Ay, sweet and sour sauce pala yan. Akala ko pulot. Pukyutan. I'm wrong. They also have this... Ayan, bagoong, alamang. And what I really like about here is meron din sila yung mga ganyan, mga breads. Mga bakery. So meron din sila niyan. I haven't tried anything. Kasi nga nag-ano lang ako. Not in the mood. And they also have like different jams. Yan. They also have cakes. Maybe pwedeng slice. And what I like about them is meron silang mga lutong ulam, guys. Kasi most of the time nakaka-crave talaga yung mga lutong ulam na yan. Twice cooked chicken and pork adobo. Oh, that sounds, they have like beef mechado. Hi, I'm just vlogging, ate. Para lang. Di ba? And also they have like drinks and coffee and of course matcha. Wala lang, nag-ano lang ako. Dino-document ko lang ng everything. Just starting. BGC po. BGC din po kayo. So dumayo lang kami ng Salcedo. Saturday pala yung market.
Yes po. Maraming tao dyan.
Oo, so we thought it's Sunday. Pangalawang beses na namin to nawawaw mali. So, every Saturday pala siya. And doon lang siya.
Kaya dyan lang po, tapos maraming tao.
Oo nga sayang. So, malay nyo next Saturday dito ulit kami mag-brunch. Yeah, see you! Let's go na. And, guys, how's Salcedo for you guys? Here, we'll do street interview.
Oo. Next month.
Next month, ang ganda. What about you?
Next month, susundan ko si mom.
Sundan mo lang ako.
Parang ang peaceful dito compared sa BGC. Yes, but... Ma'am, ano yung mo, may jojowa ka na dito, live-in?
Siyempre, hindi.
As,
Sarili lang ako.
as Mimiya girl ka? Ay, wow. As Mimiya girl. Ay, si Mimiya! We're talking about you and you're here. Oh my God. Yeah. Enjoy. Yeah. Wow. Puta. Fuck, shit. Nakita namin si Mimiya. My God. So, and parang kakain siya sa kung saan kami kumain. Baka nagki-crave din siya ng lutong ulam.
Tortang talong.
Oo, kasi katangahan namin nga ngayon dahil akala namin ang Salcedo Weekend Market ay Sunday. Putang ina shit, Saturday pala siya. And si Mimiya, aurang-aura ngayon, content day niya ngayon. Isa sa Makati Square tayo ngayon. Because we're gonna find some ukay-ukay. And you know guys, after Salcedo, I super remember when I was in... Oh, ito, ukay number 1. Let's go. So, sana may mura. But I will be needing like some sort of jacket. My God, I love it. Diba?
Hindi kaya si Tandang Silvestre ang pumatay sa kanya.
Oh my God, nakakakaba.
Nalinawan na ako sa totoong pagkawala
So
ng
here we
aking asawa.
are. Let's go.
At magbabayad siya.
I need top
Tinesa niya, saan po kayo pupunta?
Kailangan tong harapin ng matandang yan.
for our
Makikita
Japan
niya.
trip.
Hindi
Because we have to be sustainable na. And we have to move on with Mimiya.
Ano gagawin niyo?
Haharapin ko
Okay.
siya. At isisiwalat ko sa buong baryo na
Gulo, kung susugurin niyo siya, naggulo-gulo ka lang. Turuan niyo po kami kung anong dapat namin gawin.
kailangan kong iligtas
Oh, I like this yellow one.
Sandaling araw na lang hahatulan na siya.
So, ang hirap mamili. So, I'll let you guys join na lang in a few. May nagustuhan ako rito. 9% na lang ako, but this is also part of the cinema square. Ikot ko lang, te, ha? Kasi they have like beautiful arts and vinyl. May sale na 50. And, yan. I love it. May mga Diana Ross kayo?
Meron
Magkano pagka Diana Ross?
400.
400. Tingin nga daw. Pero dapat makabili muna ako ng ganito. Meron din ako Miley Cyrus pero alam mo yon. Kailangan ko muna ng stereo pero meron pala dito mga vinyl.
Pero mga ano lang to, 60s, 70s, mga gano'n.
Pero hindi na siya ay may Diana Ross.
Oo,
Di ba?
pero mga second hand. Mga second hand kasi ano,
But still
collection
working
yan. Yes po.
in a good condition.
Yes. Pwede naman po natin
I have here the Diana Ross. Ang ganda. This is so giving.
Marami pa kami mga Diana.
Last time I saw him. Okay, baliktad siya. Wow, this is so cute. Ate, babalik ako pagka may player na ako. May mga Beyonce kayo?
Ay, wala
Wala.
po.
Mahirap
Mga
yung mga
bago.
ganon, yung mga bago.
Oo,
So,
actually-
dapat yung mga classic Madonna.
Yan. Ay, Madonna wala kami.
Wala.
Mga-
Medyo mahirap yun. Britney.
Mga 60s, 70s.
60s, 70s, and 80s.
Wala po kami mga ganun.
Okay. I love it. Oh, this is Prince ba? Tama ba ako? Ay, hindi. Prince Charming. Tama ba? Ba't ganon? Hindi siya nakikita. My God, parang gusto ko tuloy bumili ng ganito. Sana may sugar daddy ako na mag-sponsor. Ems! Di ba? Thank you so much. And I love, ito guys, nagustuhan ko to, oh. It's giving, dimension. I love it. So, yan. So, we're still here. Ang mahalang ukay dito, yung mga mura, sobrang tsaka. Yung mga okay naman yung quality, sobrang mahal niya. So, I don't think it's a good deal to buy here. So, yeah, this is the second floor ng Makati Cinema Square. Gusto ko yung mga nasa 80s, 90s na vinyl doon. Hope na magkaroon na tayo ng player kasi binigyan din ako ng gift. I have the Miley Cyrus Endless Summer Vacation gift by my friend said. So, yeah, ang puti ng damit ko because nagpulbo ako. I mean, loose powder ako. Nasaan na yung mga kasama natin? Palobat na tayo. Still looking for them. Iniwan ko sila sa ukay-ukay and they're gone here. And the thrift shop, parang wala sila been calling them. Or maybe I'll just go to the parking and smoke.
Not simply cause getting your dreams is strange, but it seems a little.
Nasa parking na ulit tayo, nakakaloka. Nagsimula ang araw natin na we wanted to go to Salcedo to visit Miss Cherry ko to buy.
Tough banana.
And then mali pala, Sabado pala. Dati naman pumunta kami, I think Saturday. Late naman kami pumunta. So nakakaloka. Sana talaga na kami. Sana makita na namin si Miss Cherry and makabili na kami ng tough banana sa kanya.
So yung title nito is Salcedo Market Fail.
Fail.
Fit Mimiya.
Featuring Mimiya. Yes. So, I love the title. Paki-say, paki-ulit.
Salcedo Market Fail. Salcedo Weekend Market Fail. Fit Mimiya.
Featuring Mimiya. Yes! Featuring Mimiya, the Salcedo girl herself. And we're back in BGC. And we haven't had some lunch. We had like brunch, pero gutom na ako. Are we going to eat or not? Go!
Ay, wait lang, me. Wait lang. We couldn't be happy.
Sige, I'm going to find something din kasi nalaglag ko yung ano.
Feel humble.
Nalaglag ko yung... Nalaglag ko guys yung ano, yung lagayan ng ano, ng... I mean yung charger ng ano nasa ilalim. Can you do the vlog takeover, bitch? And we thrift! So, nagsalsedo kami, nag-thrift kami. Yan, dami naming napamili. Si Ma'am O, grabe, nag-shopping. You wanna do the vlog takeover?
And now we're back. Ang aga nagsimula ng araw ko, mga 6:30 a.m. kasi meron akong inaabangan na supply to be delivered sa client. But everything goes well naman kasi successful naman yung pag-deliver. I don't know if if naka-connect, para nakapatay naman. There you go. Connected na siya. Yan. Super aga na nagsimula ng araw natin. 6:30 I was awake na. Cause meron akong inabangan na supply to be delivered for a client in Pampanga. And right now I'm in BGC with my mom. Hi, Mom. Ano yung hinahanap mo? Lagi na lang sila may hinahanap, lagi nawawala. We couldn't be happier, right there, couldn't be happier. Look what we've got, a fairy tale plot. With all of you, we couldn't be happier. I couldn't feel humbler, because happy is what happens when all your dreams come true. Because happy is what happens when your dreams come true. Dapat opening yun. Saan ba tayo pupunta ngayon? Saan tayo pupunta, Ma'am? Ay, mahirap din naman kausapin si Ma'am. Si Ma'am, pagkakausapin mo siya, tsetsempo ka lang. Kunwari, sa loob ng isang oras, tsetsempohan mo lang talaga siya na nasa good mood siya kapag kakausapin mo siya. Very CEO energy. Nire-reserve niya kasi yung energy niya sa mga makabuluhang bagay, such as chatting and eating and pag-i-inject ng Mounjaro. Yan. Okay, where are we going now?
Where we gonna go? Condo?
Condo?
Maybe let's just eat corned beef.
Corned beef.
Still have.
Okay.
And longganisa.
I'm still full pa naman.
But I think that's just for lunch. Let's just cook.
Go. Naka-experience na kayo ng Sunday na super productive. I mean, naka-experience na kayo ng Sunday na hindi naman ganun ka-productive pero you feel like it's super productive. Ito yung Sunday na yun. Wala naman kami ganong makabuluhang ginawa. Well, we went lang sa thrift shop and nag-brunch and fail pa yung pagpunta namin sa Salcedo Weekend Market kasi sarado. Kahapon pala siya meron. During Saturdays only. But still, it feels productive. I don't know, kasi siguro pagod ako. Or napagod ako. Kaya feeling ko productive siya. Yes!
Shower.
Parang
So,
sarap
that
pag-shower
tulog and
ngayon.
then mass. And then the Sunday ends. That's just how we do our Sunday. That's our Sunday reset by Rusco.
Sino si Rusco?
Rusco ba yun? Yan. Tigalasag. Sunday reset.
Ay wait, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga pinagbibili namin sa, anong tawag dun, Makati Square. We're finally home. Pero sana susian naman ni Madam.
Be, susi. Ang ina naman.